Hi guys, for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to log into your AWDC account. So all you have to do is to type our website. Since I have here already, all you have to do is to click that one. Okay, take note sometimes no, lumalabas dyan yung no page found. So all you have to do is to just refresh the the website and then lalabas na ito. So alright, so all you have to do is to log into your account. Since I have here already. Okay, pupunta tayo sa account ko na demo account ko. Okay? So, nakalagin na tayo, guys. Nakalagin na tayo. So, pag nakalagin ka na, ito ang itsura ng dashboard mo. Yan. So, nakalagay dyan rank. Since bago ka pa lang, so wala ka pang rank. No rank pang nakalagay. So, makikita mo dyan yung register date, yung sponsor, sino nag-sponsor sa'yo, yung nag-invite sa'yo sa business na to, and then placement, kung saan ka nakalagay, and then your position, kung saan ka ba na position, sa left ka ba or sa right, and then your account status. And then, as you can see here, makikita mo, meron kang referral link. So, yan yung link na i-share mo sa lahat ng mga kakilala mo. Okay, through your link, dyan sila magre-register, and then, makikita na yan doon sa database. Now, all you have to do is to follow up them. Okay? And then next is, meron tayong store link. Yan yung store link natin wherein may sarili tayong tindahan dito na pwede mong i-share sa mga kakilala mo na gustong bumili ng ating produkto. So, pwede na silang bumili dyan sa store link mo directly sa company at si AWDC na bahalang mag-shift ng kanilang in-order. And then your commission will go to your dashboard. Okay? And then you can see here, may network bonus, meron kang pairing match bonus, may fifth pair ka, may unilevel income ka, may online income, income statistic, and network position. Okay? Yung sa pairing bonus mo, ito yon, yung total pairing bonus, and total weekly income. Yan siya. And then yung sa fifth pair mo, ito yung GC natin na tinatawag. Okay? Yung GC natin, every fifth pair, GC yon. So, dito rin makikita yung total fifth match and total weekly income. Okay? And ito namang si unilevel income, ito yung income natin na nanggagaling doon sa first generation to 10th generation natin na bibili sa kahit saang branches. Dahil meron pa tayong per bottle sa kanilang binili. So, dyan mo rin makikita yung total weekly unilevel income mo at yung total unilevel income mo. Okay? And then yung online income, dito naman papasok yung kung sino yung mga bumili na downlines mo, kung sino yung bumili na mga kakilala mo through your link. So, dyan naman papasok yung commission mo. Okay? Dito naman sa income statistic, nandyan yung total number of pairing bonus mo, kung ilan na yung pairing bonus mo, and then total number of your fifth pair, magkano na yung total number of fifth pair mo, and then yung total income mo, nandyan na rin. Okay? Now, sa network position naman, dyan mo naman makikita yung sino yung mga silver mo na downlines, kung sino yung mga gold mo na downlines, and total nila, ilan sila. And then sa right side mo naman, ilan yung silver mo, ilan yung gold mo, at total niyan. Okay? Okay, sa baba naman, nandyan yung my network downlines. So, network downlines, meron dyan yung filter. Isi-search mo lang sa left or right pa kung ilan na yung nasa left mo at ilan na rin nasa right mo. Okay? Pwede mo rin i-search sila through their names. Okay? Since makikita mo naman dito sa baba, ayan yung kanilang mga username at kung ano yung kanilang package na kinuha at kailan sila na-register. Sino yung sponsor nila at saan sila nakalagay. Okay? Makikita mo naman dyan. Alright. So, for now guys, yan lang po muna. And if you want to navigate your account, you can check here sa tatlong lines na yan. At dyan mo makikita lahat ng details. Okay? Makikita mo dyan yung pairing bonus mo, yung pairing match mo, yung waiting point value sa right mo, and waiting point value sa left mo. Okay? Itong tao na nandito sa kilid, dyan naman yung binary graphical o binary list. Dito makikita yung ilan na yung taong ipinasok mo. Okay? Let's go to that. Okay, so yan yung makikita mo. Ito yung structure ng ating binary system. Yan. At pag mag-i-encode naman tayo, guys, click lang natin to, yung vacant. Kung gusto natin sila dyan ilagay, so i-click mo lang siya dyan. At lalabas na tong for registration. Ayan. Okay? So, dito natin ini-encode yung mga bago nating mga na-refer. Okay, yung code and security pin ay manggagaling yan sa cashier kung saan isi-send nila yan kung saan mo gustong username ipasend yung code tsaka pin. When you have that already, pwede mo na silang i-encode. Okay? By entering their personal information, yan, nandyan lahat. Okay, at pag na-fill upan mo na lahat ng yan, click mo lang yung, check mo lang to, yung please check to agree. And guys, don't forget to read our membership policy of Code of Conduct. Kasi nandyan po nakasalalay po yung ating account. Alright, so if we are not going to follow the policy, ang tendency po ay mateterminate po yung ating account. Sayang naman yung ating earnings. So guys, I recommend to read the membership policy before accepting, before submitting. Okay? So yun, after reading the membership policy, guys, click mo lang siya and then submit. Okay? I have a suggestion. Kahit 5 lang doon sa nakalagay sa membership policy. Dahil ang pinaka-importante po ay yung pinaka-number 1 na kailangan mong maintindihan. Okay? So, yun na po. And then, pag nasubmit mo na siya, lalabas po yung successfully encoded. And then, balik na tayo. Just all you have to do is to exit. Okay? So, tayo nakabalik na. Punta tayo ulit dito sa 3 line na yan. Okay, natapos na tayo dun sa genealogy natin. Punta tayo dito sa ating second icon. Nandyan yung encashment, 5th pair encashment, item encashment, unilevel encashment, e-wallet, upgrade account, and pairing checker. Okay, dito mo malalaman guys kung na-encash na ba yung, na-request na ba yung iyong payout. Okay, earnings overview, dito mo makikita kung magkano na yung pairing bonus mo, magkano na yung in-encash, at yung total available balance. Alright, so all you have to do guys is just to navigate kung ano yung mga information na nasa loob ng dashboard mo. Madali lang naman siyang matutunan guys eh. All you have to do, click ka lang dyan, tingnan mo lang kung ano yung mga nakalagay dyan, at pag-aralan mo. Okay? Ngayon, dito mo naman makikita guys yung code. Yung nabanggit ko kanina, code na kung saan isi-send ng cashier yung pinurchase natin na package. Okay? All you have to do is to enter this date. Halimbawa, March 1. Okay? And then hanggang present. Yan. Alright, guys, this is just a demo, kaya wala tayong makikitang code tsaka pins dyan. So, all you have to do is to click this filter. Okay, so dito mo makikita guys yung code na isi-send ng cashier sa'yo para ma-encode mo yung bagong member mo. Okay? So, dito na ulit. And then, dito naman guys, yung parang cart, yan yung store natin. So, pag klinik mo yung store, ang lalabas guys ay ito. Yan. So, nandyan lahat ng products natin guys. Okay? So, this price guys ay Cebu price yan. For our silver package, and for our gold package, and for our platinum package. Okay, andyan lahat ng products natin guys for men and for women. Yan yung store natin guys. So, pwede natin to i-share sa mga kakilala natin. Okay, kung gusto mong bumili ng packages or perfume, click mo lang yung icon na nasa gilid na yan. Tapos dadaling ka na niya doon. Alright? So, pag ikaw naman gustong bumili, all you have to do is to add to cart ka lang, like that. Okay, so na-add to cart mo na siya, balik ka dun sa taas. And then, nakita mo tong number 1 na nasa kilid. All you have to do is to click that. So, yan na. Ayan na yung iyong in-add to cart. And then, check out mo lang siya. Okay, nandiyan lalabas yung information mo. Automatic na yan. Okay. And then, yung presyo, total weight, cart subtotal, shipping, pick up ba or ship. Ayan, 100 yung ating shipping fee. So, a total of 480. So, mode of payment naman guys, makikita mo naman dyan, cash on delivery, bank transfer, or GCash. All you have to do is to click the proceed. Okay. Okay, transaction has been completed. Purchase successful. Shipping COD method. Please give us 2 to 3 days to process your order. For pickup, you can proceed to our office anytime to get the products. Thank you. Transaction number 480. Ayan. Don't worry guys, kasi yung discount mo, papasok naman yan doon sa iyong e-wallet. Okay? So, yun lang guys. And then, all you have to do is to go back. So, yan yung lalabas guys sa store natin. Sa ating website. Okay? Gets? Alright, so if you have any question guys, you can DM me anytime. At pag nabasa ko naman yun, sasagutin ko naman lahat ng mga questions niya. So thank you very much guys. I hope you're learning. Thank you for watching. Have a nice evening. God bless you. Bye-bye.